Friction Alka Sprayer Specialist with Case IH, here to go through and set up the reversing fan if equipped with your sprayer. The reversing fan is an option, so you may or may not have it depending on how you ordered it. So how I would go and initialize my reversing fan is I would hit the gray up button located on my armrest. That's going to take me to a quick to jump menu. So from there, I can find my reversing fan, which is right here on the right hand side. I'll press that. Now it's going to give me the option to turn my reversing fan on. So at this point, what I have to do is I have to have the RPM of the machine at least 1400. So I'm going to go and set my RPMs up, and I'm going to hit the slider. The reversing fan is going to come on now for about 15 seconds. It's going to reverse the fan blade position and blow the radiator and the screens out to help you in keeping your cooling package clean on your engine. To exit out of there, I simply hit the X back to my spray screen, and away I go. So that is utilizing and operating the reversing fan.